Today we are going to be discussing exporters in Apex DX. There are three main file exporters available in DX, as well as a automatic response detection exporter, which we have discussed in another video, as well as a batch exporter, which we have also discussed in another video. The first exporter that we are going to talk about today is the raw file format exporter. We have four available export types here. We have the Apex RWX files, which we would recommend for any processing in DX. Sometimes it is useful to take a very slow processing file format like a CSV file and convert it to an RWX file if you are planning on reprocessing the data multiple times, as this will greatly improve the efficiency and storage of those files. Additionally, we have the DSPCon DATX files or DATX files. These are a industry standard file format that lots of customers enjoy using. We also have the UFF58 and UFF58B files available for file export. Next, we have the Peaks exporter. The Peak exporter will result in a PKX file that is the output of the advanced digital signal processor. So however this advanced digital signal processor has been set up is what you will get in the PKX file. These are very small and performant files, which are great for processing spectral data and reprocessing spectral data. Customers especially enjoy the lightweight portability of these files for sharing with customers. Finally, we have the Export CSV file exporter. These are a number of different formats for exporting CSV files, and you can select the data that you would like to export in these CSV files. CSV files will contain a Apex header, which will make it easier and more performant for reading back into DX if reprocessing that CSV file is something that you would like to do. We have the time and time with parameters CSV file, which will include time series data in the CSV. We have the parameters CSV, which will include time series data of the parameters that have been loaded into the file. Additionally, we have spectrum, spectrum envelope, spectrum average, and extended envelope CSV files, which are all various ways of looking at the FFT data or the spectral data coming out of DX in a CSV file. And finally, we have the peaks and ordered peaks CSV file, which are, again, exports of the advanced digital signal processor. If you want more information on the output of the advanced digital signal processor in DX, we have another video available on that. To access the export location, go to File Preferences, where down here at the bottom of the general area, we have the export settings available, which lets you specify the export area. Here I have this going to my demo exports file. So if I were to process this file, I would get 3 resultant files in that directory.